Hey guys, welcome back to another alone video. And we are in Brazil still. And it just ended to rain. And we had a little flood back here in where like our shelter is supposed to be. Look at this. That part is really deep. Yeah, really deep. So this is all gone now. Look, all the water absorbed to the dirt, mud type of thing. And yeah, we are actually going to need some of this water to survive, right, Indian? And here's Panda. So yeah, we're going to need some of this water to survive, but we're going to need it, and we're going to have to put it over a fire so we can actually create it. Oh, look at this rope. Then we could use this to attach something to it. All right, guys, so we found some rope. Don't know what we'll attach it to. Maybe this bat. No, I don't really do. Cool. Ooh, wait, we can attach it to this bucket. Look, watch this. Put it right here. And Indian, can you hold it again? Don't push this button, okay? Can you hold this like that? Good. Don't let it move, okay? And don't push that button. Because that in one of the alone videos you did. Alright, let's just tie.
And I didn't mean to, like.
No. I'm just going to tie a random knot. There you go. That's good enough. Can I have this? Alright, that's a good enough knot. And then you can, actually you could use this for fishing. If we had any fish, we could put some bait in here. All right, anyway, let's get the water. Cause if we just do it with our hands, it's all gonna fall out, so. All right, let's get this out right here. I'm not. Okay, some water right there. Dang, come on, we need some more water. I'm glad there's not any piranhas in here. And we're still looking for Wes because I'm not drinking this yet. This is probably gonna make you sick. All right, so we're still looking for Wes. We've actually been looking for Wes for a while and can't find him. What if he couldn't find us and he went looking for us? That'd be kind of weird. But all right, so we're gonna have to wait. Hold on. We need some dry firewood, but you can't find any dry firewood anywhere. Except this is kind of like firewood. Hold on, let's get this is kind of firewood. This. I need something sharp.
Oh. It went to the sky.
Just stay there, guys. There you go. All right. Now, let's see. You'd use this. Oh no, wait, it's wet. Here you go. That's perfect. There's a lot of ants crawling on it, but we are surviving.
Hi guys,
so alright, look at this. Look at this.
Hi.
Alright, I don't know if you guys could see that, but again, this getting some of this off. We got like a small piece of firewood right there. We'll put this on that little log. But we are making some progress. Here, you guys just stay right there. Indian, don't move it. Ooh, we got, this part is really, this could make it to go into the fire, this part right here. Because there's a lot of that, yeah. There is a lot of this. So, all right, let's get this part now. Dang, this is actually a really hard block. Oh, I know what we can do. We can just throw this into a whole entire fire. The stick. Just throw it into the whole entire fire. All right, come on, Indian. that was loud. Alright, now get some fire. Alright. Put that right there. This might not work because it's wet. Come on. Put that right there. Alright. Here, Indian. You want to go hunting for some food?
Yeah.
With this? Okay, don't push that button, okay? Because I'll end the video. Okay, go get some food.
Okay.
Alright, go find some.
Okay. So guys, I'm just hunting for food, you know. So that's trembling. So I'm going to hunting for food. Look at that. Wait, I think there's food in here, guys. No, that's that. That's that. Same here. No, not there. Okay. So I'm still hunting for food. So.
Hi, Indian.
Ah.
Looking for some more firewood.
So, Santa, you know, guys? What?
I think there were some like snakes over there.
Thank you.
Like back behind the shed maybe.
Thank you. So guys, essentially, I just have by myself find some snakes and food, you know. You know. So fortunately, you know, guys, I'm just hunting for food. I'm hunting for food, you know, guys, and I don't know what's the food. I'm just hunting for food. Please. Wait a minute. Water. No, guys. Rain is strong for inside. You guys, unfortunately, it's drizzling outside, you know. I can't find some food, guys. Fortunately, I can't find the food. Why I can't find the food? Unfortunately, I can't find the food. You know. What? Wait! Where is it?
Come here. Guys, look, fire. Yeah, I got fire.
Oh.
Alright, come on, wait, where's the bucket of water? Wait, where is that bucket of water?
I think in the woods, guys.
We couldn't have lost that bucket of water. Dang it. Where's the bucket? Where's the bucket? Here it is. Come on. Alright. Come on, guys, we need this bucket of water. I'm just gonna put you guys in there. Alright, so let's put the water under the fire. That'll be a good drink.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.